What's up, guys? It's JFX Global, as you know. So, uh, I know it's been a long time since I dropped a video, so I'm back again, and I think I'm back for good this time around. So, what you're gonna do now? Please subscribe, click the notification button so that you get notified whenever I post a video. So, uh, last week it was this Friday, yes, Friday. I took uh, I took GBPJPY sales on GBPJPY. So I'm gonna be showing you how I took this trade. So as you can see here, we are on 4 hour chart. Okay, 4 hour chart. We trend into the downside by taking out liquidity, then moving to the downside. As you can see here, we took out this. We took out this high, this lower high, and we push the price from our premium zone. As you can see here, and it dropped, creating another lower lows, lower highs. So there was a lower high right here, but eventually took it out. You can see here, took out the stop loss on the stop loss that we're resting here, right? And breaking, creating another lower low, and coming back to fill our premium zone. As you can see here, taking out this liquidity, we have to come back to fill our premium zone. You can see here, if you put your feet from here until here, you can see that the price came back to our premium zone supply. Then personally, I like when the price is not closing inside this zone. I like when the price is closing inside this zone. So here it close inside this zone. You can see, talking about this zone, close inside this zone. So I was not interested at first, but when it dropped, then started to respect this zone and didn't want to close above. Then I became interested. So I waited for the price to create another lower low. As you can see here, created another lower low, but there was no enough data, no imbalance, nothing to take this trade, even though the supply was respected. As you can see here, if you put your feet from here, this point to this point, you can see that the price was respected, but still there was not enough data to take this trade. So I waited again. I waited again, and I saw a break of structure creating another lower low. So I noticed that there might be a gap here, but it's not visible on this time frame. So I switch to 3 hourly. Still, it's not visible. I switch to 1 hour. Yes, it's visible. So here's our gap right here. So I mark our gap, and after marking our gap, I take this candlestick as my point of interest because it is close to this gap. So I mark this candlestick. I just want to see how the price will react if it comes to this candlestick. So so uh, after the price comes back to fill up this gap, now I'm interested in this zone. As I see, the price is not closing above outside of this zone. You can see created 2 weeks, then uh, respected, then drop. But before dropping, I switch to my 5 minutes. Remember, guys, you need to have more data to enter a trade, to enter a high probability trade. You just don't enter. You don't just enter a trade. You have to have more confluences. So as you can see here, trending to the upside, creating higher highs and high lows, right? Respected, came back and respected this demand. Okay, as we respect this demand, it seems like we are creating equal lows. Okay, that needs to be taken out. Okay, so we take out these higher highs. You can see here, took out this higher high, but uh, I can see we're taking out all the stop losses that were resting above this higher high, and it was taken out with the spread, especially when you sell. The spread will take you out uh, very easy. You can put your stop loss right here above this, even here, above here, above this higher high, but still the spread can take you out, though it made a U-turn right over here, but the spread can take you out. It can take out your stop losses. So what we have now, we have a move to the downside, right, respecting this TC candlestick, then coming back to uh, break structure, creating another lower low. Then we have FEG that was respected, right. At first I was expecting the price to come back to this premium zone. Since we broke the structure, expecting the price to come back to this premium zone, but it didn't come back. Okay, so it respected this FEG. Then I said to myself, okay, if it's like this, if the price gonna respect this FEG and push to the downside and break this lower low, then I have to wait for more data. So I see that here we had an FEG that was filled. Okay, so since it was filled, so still there is no trade that I should take. So the price comes back to even test again this FEG, to even test this FEG. So it pushes the price to the downside, and I was like, okay, now I see something. Now we have two equal highs right here, right over here. We have two equal highs. So there's money that is resting above these two equal highs. So I wait for the price to come back, and I mark my point of interest. I take my fee from this point to this point. Okay, so I wait for the price to come back to this point of interest. As you can see, it came back, right? Came back to even fill up this imbalance, right? You can see here, filled up the imbalance, and I take my trade from here. As I said, I like when the price is respecting this zone, right? When it doesn't close inside of this zone. I stop loss above here. I take profits to profits here. So this was a 22R, I think. Yes, yeah, 22R. So this is how the trade was taken. So as I said, you have to wait for more data to take a trade. You don't just boom take a trade. Okay. So this was a trade that was taken, and here's the proof of the trade. Uh, so whenever you open your chart, wait, just wait, sit on your hands, wait for a clear picture, wait for a clear setup, and execute. So please guys, subscribe to see another video. Subscribe, click the notification button. You get notified whenever I post another video.